Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shomrita Paul and you are watching Shomrita Paul food vlog. So today I will show you a new recipe, that is Tortang Talong. So let's see. So I have put the brinjal here and I will do it like this, and it will take minimum 10 minutes of time, and you will have it very good taste if you cook this one very well. And let's see the next step. Guys, it is on process and I need minimum 5 minutes more to cook it. Guys, it is done totally, so I will off the gas now. Guys, I will tear it now. I have peeled off this one. See guys, so you also peel it totally. So guys, now the peeling part is done, so it is ready to use. So guys, I took the egg and I will break it. So guys, I will take the salt now and spread it. So next is black pepper, this one. In Hindi it's called Kali Mirch. Give it according to your choice. So I'm spreading it. Guys, I will just mix it up. Just mix it very well so that you will cook it very good. So guys, I will give the brinjal now. This is the brinjal. So I will put it and I will mash it with the fork. So I will move this spoon apart. So I will just mash it. See guys, just mash it like this. So guys, I will keep this pan now, and this is our ingredient. Okay, so let it heat up, then I will give. Guys, I will give the oil now, refined oil or soybean oil or sunflower oil. So I will give it a little bit and wait for it. That I will just do it like this. So I will give this. So guys, do the oil like this, and if you see there is forming bubbles, you will be sure that it is cooked very well. So I have done this. So guys, my recipe is ready. Please you also do at your home and comment me down that how you liked my video. So let's start to it. So I will add I will add little bit of black pepper also. So this is a black pepper. So let's taste it. It's good, but if you want to add green chilies, you can add it. Green chilies, you can add it. So guys, I took the egg and I will broke it.